Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we make sure you're pronouncing words the right way. Today we're focusing on a car brand that a lot of people get wrong, Hyundai. Are you saying it right? Many people pronounce it as Hi-un-die or Hi-un-day. Does that sound familiar? But don't worry, that's a common mistake, and I'm here to help you fix it. The correct pronunciation is Hyundai. It's actually two syllables, Hyun, like Hugh with an N, and day, like the word day. Make sure to say the hyun part with a soft U, almost like saying Hi-on, followed by a simple day. Let's practice together. Say it after me. Hyundai, Hyundai, Hyundai. Slow it down, then speed it up. Got it? Now you're pronouncing it like a pro. Hyundai is one of the largest car manufacturers in the world, based in South Korea. The name itself means modernity in Korean, representing innovation and forward-thinking design. Now that you know how to say Hyundai correctly, impress your friends next time you talk about this global brand. If you liked this pronunciation tip, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment with your favorite Hyundai model, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.